Bassoon maintenance. Keeping your instrument in top shape. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and culture. Today, we're exploring a very specific yet intriguing topic: bassoon maintenance. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a budding bassoonist, or simply curious about musical instruments, understanding the care and upkeep of a bassoon can offer insights into the dedication behind mastering an instrument. Let's dive in and discover how to keep a bassoon sounding beautiful. The bassoon is a woodwind instrument known for its distinctive tone and wide range, playing a crucial role in orchestras and ensembles. It's made of wood, typically maple, with metal keys, and it requires regular maintenance to ensure it produces the best sound quality. Understanding the bassoon structure and how it produces sound is fundamental to appreciating the importance of maintenance. Maintaining a bassoon involves several routine tasks to protect its material and ensure it functions correctly. Here are some essential maintenance tips. Daily cleaning. After each use, use a cleaning swab to remove moisture from the inside of the bassoon. This prevents moisture damage to the wood and keys. Key oil. Apply key oil to the mechanism periodically to keep the keys moving smoothly. Reed care. Bassoon reeds are delicate. Store them in a special case to avoid damage and ensure they remain moist but not too wet. Polishing. Wipe the body of the bassoon with a soft cloth to remove fingerprints and dust, keeping the wood's finish looking new. Besides daily and weekly maintenance, it's essential to have your bassoon checked by a professional at least once a year. These checkups can address pad replacement. Over time, the pads under the keys wear out and need replacing to prevent air leaks. Key adjustment. To keep the bassoon playing in tune, a technician can adjust the keys and springs. Wood treatment. To prevent the wood from drying out or cracking, a professional might treat the bassoon with special oils. Every bassoonist will eventually encounter issues with their instrument. Here are a few common problems and how to address them. Sticky keys. Clean the keys with a soft, dry cloth. If the problem persists, seek professional help. Cracking wood. Avoid extreme temperature and humidity changes. Use a humidifier in dry conditions. Poor sound quality. This could be due to a damaged reed, moisture in the instrument, or the need for professional maintenance. Maintaining a bassoon is a labor of love, requiring attention to detail and regular care. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting, understanding and applying these maintenance tips can greatly enhance your playing experience. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Keep practicing, stay curious, and until next time, happy playing!